Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for all things comparison. Today, we've got a showdown of epic proportions. The Logitech Z207 versus the Bluetooth computer speakers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I really need to watch another speaker comparison video? Well, yes, because we're going to help you avoid the audio equivalent of buying a pair of socks for Christmas. So let's dive right in and see who comes out on top in the battle of the speakers. First up, let's talk about price. Logitech Z207 is priced at $59, while our fancy friend Bluetooth is sitting at $69. Now, if you're like me, you're probably thinking, that's only a $10 difference. But remember, that's $10 you could spend on, well, literally anything else. A fancy coffee, a pair of socks. Hey, you could even start a small sock empire. So if you're on a budget, the Logitech takes the cake. Unless you want to splurge on that stylish Bluetooth. Next, let's move on to sound quality. The Logitech Z207 boasts full-range audio with one active driver and a passive radiator for bass. It's like the speaker equivalent of a one-hit wonder. Great at what it does, but don't expect it to do much else. Meanwhile, Bluetooth claims to deliver hi-fi sound with dual drivers and diaphragms. Sounds fancy, right? It's like they're saying, we've got bass and treble, let's throw a party. If you want to jam out to your favorite tunes and impress your neighbors, Bluetooth might just be your best bet. Now, let's talk connectivity. The Logitech Z207 is like that friend who can't decide between two options. It connects via Bluetooth 4.2 or a 3.5mm cable. It's versatile, but you might have to remind it who it's paired with. On the other hand, Bluetooth comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and a 3.5mm plug, so it's like that one friend who's always ahead of the curve. Plus, you can just plug it into a USB port and voila! No drivers needed. It's like the plug and play of the tech world. If only my toaster was that easy. Let's not forget about design. The Logitech Z207 is your classic speaker look. Sturdy, reliable, and slightly bulky. Like your uncle at a family barbecue. Meanwhile, Bluetooth is sleek and compact, designed to fit right under your monitor. It's like the supermodel of speakers, elegant, slim, and definitely turning heads. And let's not overlook those ambient lights on the Bluetooth. It's like having a mini disco party on your desk, right? Who needs a club when you've got a soundbar? Finally, let's talk about extra features. The Logitech Z207 has this nifty easy switch technology that lets you switch between devices seamlessly. It's like a relationship that just works. 1 minute you're with your computer, and the next, you're vibing with your phone. Meanwhile, Bluetooth is eco-friendly, made of 85% recycled materials, and offers lifetime after-sales service. It's like that friend who not only recycles but also remembers your birthday. Talk about commitment. Overall, the Logitech Z207 is praised for its affordability and decent sound quality, especially for casual listening, though some users noted Bluetooth issues. The Bluetooth speakers offer great sound quality and sleek design, but some users experienced connectivity issues and mixed durability results. Both speakers have their strengths depending on what you prioritize. So who's the winner in this epic speaker showdown? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with decent sound, go for the Logitech Z207. But if you want that immersive sound experience and a sleek design with some eco-friendly vibes, the Bluetooth is calling your name. Remember, folks, whether you're jamming out or just trying to drown out your neighbor's karaoke nights, we're here to help you make smart buying decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more comparisons. And as always, stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping. The product links are in the description.